Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a book or a document in the Scribd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the search button at the bottom of the page on the middle. Then click on the search box and just type your either the name of the author, or you can just search for the title. So just type that in, and first you will get the suggested results. And then you can get the searches in audiobooks, and then here will be the documents and the books. So just choose the one that's most suitable, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.